السلام عليك يا حجة الله في أرضه السلام عليك أين الله في خلقه السلام عليك.
If we want to help Imam alayhi salam, we should ourselves be strong. Yeah. If I want to do something, for example, if I want to build a house, if I want to build a hospital, if I want, I don't know, to educate people, and you want to help me, so at least I should be hoping that you give me a hand, you give me some power, you give me something. Not that you yourself are in need of, someone to awaken you, for example, someone to make you stand on your feet. So when it comes to helping Imam Mahdi, I should try to be myself someone who is strong. I don't mean physically strong. I mean someone who in his willpower, in iman, in determination, in taqwa, is able to have the basic requirements at least. I'm not saying that you have to be arif, you have to be mystic, you have to be, for example, a great, wayfarer, but at least to be muttaqi, especially not to do zulm, because doing zulm to any person, starting with yourself, with family, neighbors, strangers, even enemies. If we do zulm, we would not be in a position to give our hand to Imam alayhi salam. No one who is zalim, who is unjust, can help Imam in universal mission for establishing justice. So I need to strengthen myself in my taqwa, in doing my wajibat, in avoiding haram, and in particular, I would like to request you to work on justice. And for me, what comes very, very close to the justice, to the center of justice, which is not exactly justice, but it's very close to the center of justice, is fairness. Insaf. Insaf is very important. It's one of those qualities that if someone has, you just want to be with them. Fairness, insaf.
السلام عليك يا حجة